Apophis, the name alone strikes fear into our hearts. This colossal asteroid, named after the Egyptian god of chaos, has been the subject of countless doomsday predictions and apocalyptic scenarios. The mere thought of it hurtling towards our planet sends shivers down our spines. A city-killer asteroid racing toward Earth. Imagine looking up and seeing this massive rock dominating the sky, casting a shadow over entire cities. The fear and panic would be unimaginable. Could this be the end? Expectation, boom, total annihilation, a real-life doomsday. Buildings reduced to rubble, fires raging, and a cloud of dust enveloping the planet. The ultimate catastrophe. But what's the reality? According to NASA, the experts who have been tracking Apophis for years, Apophis will fly by Earth in 2029, harmlessly. Yes, you heard that right. Despite all the hype and fear, it will simply pass us by. It'll come closer than most satellites, but it's no threat. In fact, it will be an incredible opportunity for scientists and astronomers. Instead, it's a rare chance for scientists to study asteroids up close. They'll be able to gather invaluable data, learn more about these celestial bodies, and perhaps even unlock secrets of our solar system. So no apocalypse, just a spectacular celestial show. Imagine the awe and wonder as we witness this cosmic event, a reminder of the vastness and beauty of our universe. Which one were you expecting? Let us know in the comments. Were you bracing for impact or excited for the show? Share your thoughts and join the conversation.